Hi, I'm Larry Andler, a tax partner at LGA.
Hi, I'm Nicole LeBlanc, a tax manager. There's been a lot of news about stimulus funding for businesses and individuals the past year. One noteworthy part that we want to be sure clients know about is the advanced payments of the child tax credit, also known as the CTC. You may have even received a letter in the mail from the IRS informing you of your potential eligibility.
Like many others, you may find that you have more questions than answers after reading this letter. We hope to help explain what this credit is and what you need to know about it.
Larry, first, can you explain what the child tax credit is?
Yes, Nicole. For the past several years, taxpayers with qualifying children were eligible for a $2,000 credit, which would reduce their tax owed. This credit was partially refundable depending on the taxpayer's incomes.
And what has changed?
This past March, Congress passed the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, also known as ARPA, which expands the child tax credit for the year 2021 only. This law increases the amount of the credit for many taxpayers, making the credit for qualifying children fully refundable, which means that taxpayers can benefit from this credit even if they don't have earned income or don't owe any income taxes. It also expanded to include children who turn age 17 in 2021. And the biggest change is one that requires the IRS to pay part of the credit to taxpayers during 2021 before they file their 2021 tax return.
That sounds great for many of our clients. Can you provide more details?
Yes, for 2021, families claiming the child tax credit will receive up to $3,000 per qualifying child who is between the ages of 6 and 17 at the end of 2021. They will also receive $3,600 per qualifying child who is under age 6 at the end of 2021. In addition, half of these amounts will be paid regularly from July through December to eligible taxpayers who have a main home in the United States for more than half the year. Payments are expected to start in mid-July of this year.
Who is eligible for these credits?
Married taxpayers filing jointly with adjusted gross incomes of under $150,000, heads of household with incomes less than $112,500, and other taxpayers with less than $75,000. Taxpayers with incomes greater than these thresholds will receive either a limited or no credit.
How does someone get these advanced payments?
The IRS will determine these payments based on your 2020 return. If you have filed your return and qualify, you don't need to take any action. If you have not filed your return, you should do so as soon as you have all the information available. Otherwise, the IRS will use your 2019 return.
What are the amounts of the payments to be received, and when will they be issued and how?
The maximum amount of monthly payments that taxpayers will receive will be up to $300 a month for each qualifying child under age 6, and up to $250 for each qualifying child between the ages of 6 and 17. The payments will be issued on the 15th of every month from July to December, and they will be paid either by direct deposit or via check.
These are just advanced payments. So what happens if your income is greater in 2021 and you're not eligible for the entire credits when you file your 2021 return?
When you file your 2021 return, you will reconcile your advance payments with the actual credit which you determine on the return. If the advance payments are in excess of the allowable credit, the 2021 refund would be reduced or your balance due would be increased.
Can I do anything if I know I won't be eligible in 2021 and I don't want to receive the advance payments?
Yes, you can. You will be able to unenroll online. The IRS will provide instructions at the end of June. We will update you as soon as we learn more.
Larry, thank you for this information. If anyone has any questions or wants assistance for opting out of these payments once the IRS website is up and running, please reach out to your LGA tax team member and be sure to look out for the LGA alerts. Thank you.